Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is movement, and we're discussing about the muscles and the movement. So far in our past videos, we discussed the concept of muscles. We saw the various types of muscles. So today, let's briefly discuss about the muscle cramps. Now, a muscle cramp, this is an involuntary, the forcibly contracted muscle that does not relax. And the cramp may involve just a part of a muscle or the entire muscle or several muscles that usually act together. Now you can experience these muscle cramps to various muscles within our bodies. Now, any of the muscles that are not our voluntary control, they can experience these cramps. Now, sometimes it occurs when the body lacks the salt, especially for those people who work hard in hot weather. They sweat a lot and they get painful cramps in their legs, arms, and stomach. So here is just a simple example for a muscle cramp that, as you can see here, this is the region where the pain can be experienced. So it's one of a muscle cramp. Now let's see the various causes of these muscle cramps. Now there are basically two major causes of the muscle cramps that are the first one, that lack of water or salt in the body. So lack of water or salt in the body can result to the muscle cramps. And the second one is the lack of oxygen in the muscles, or simply inadequate oxygenation of the muscles. So when the muscles they lack enough oxygen when they are operating, they can lead to these cramps. Moving on, let's see the various prevention of the muscle cramps. Muscle cramps can be prevented by the following ways. The first one, that the cramps from these poor breathing habits or just lack of oxygen can be improved by rapid breathing as well as stretching the muscles. So stretching the muscles and improving the rapid breathing can help to revive the cramps. The other one is that a muscle cramp, maybe from lack of water or salt, can be treated simply by stretching the muscles and drinking many glasses of water, which contain salt, so as to replace the amount of salt or water that is lost in the body. So these two are just the main preventions of the muscle cramps. In a matter of the treatment of the muscle cramps, simply you can treat the muscle cramps by applying a soft massage on the cramped muscle, also stretching the muscle and applying the oily ointment on the affected area can easily treat a muscle cramp. So, here, guys, thank you for listening. We've briefly discussed the muscle cramps. So, what it means, we've seen the various causes of the muscle cramps. We said there are two of them. That is the lack of oxygen and the lack of water or salts. And then we've seen the preventive and the ways that you can treat these muscle cramps. Thank you.